The world's most expensive railway begins with ambitious planning across the British countryside. Engineers study complex geological data and environmental reports to design the new high-speed line. Deep drilling teams analyze soil and rock to ensure the railway can be built safely. The British government commits billions of pounds to fund this unprecedented infrastructure project. Millions of tons of high-strength steel rails and concrete are manufactured for the new railway. Giant tunnel boring machines are specially built to carve through hills and under cities. Entire temporary towns are constructed to house the thousands of skilled workers. Construction sites are cleared, and access roads are built along the entire route. Environmental experts design measures to protect wildlife and landscapes during construction. Massive supply chains deliver steel, concrete, and machinery from across Britain and Europe. Advanced command centers are established to monitor every stage of the project in real time. Archaeological teams carefully excavate and preserve historical artifacts found along the route. Sustainability teams plan ways to make the railway as eco-friendly as possible. After years of detailed planning, final parliamentary approval is granted. From maps and models to the first breaking of ground, this is where the world's most expensive railway begins. Thousands of trucks deliver steel rails and concrete to sites across the country. Giant tunnel boring machines are transported to their starting points with great care. Excavators clear land and remove old infrastructure to make way for the new line. Temporary access roads and service bridges are built to reach remote construction zones. Powerful generators and temporary power lines are installed to support the work. The first tunnel boring machine begins its long journey through solid rock and clay. Multiple concrete batching plants operate day and night near the construction sites. Buses and temporary rail links bring thousands of workers to the sites every day. Archaeological rescue teams carefully preserve important historical discoveries. Noise barriers and environmental fencing are erected around sensitive areas. Central logistics hubs coordinate the movement of millions of tons of materials. Workers celebrate the completion of the first major excavation sections. Floodlights illuminate the sites as construction continues through the night. Every rail and concrete component undergoes strict quality inspections. The first visible signs of the new railway begin to emerge across the British landscape. Giant tunnel boring machines relentlessly carve long underground sections for the new railway. Precision concrete segments are installed to create smooth, strong tunnel walls. High-precision steel rails are laid and welded on carefully prepared track beds. Massive viaducts and bridges are constructed over valleys and existing infrastructure. Modern stations begin to take shape at key locations along the route. Electrification systems and overhead power lines are installed across the network. Advanced digital signaling and communication networks run the full length of the line. Tunnel ventilation and emergency safety systems are fitted deep underground. Laser-guided machines ensure the tracks are perfectly aligned for high-speed travel. Cross passages and escape routes are built between tunnels for safety. Disturbed landscapes are gradually restored with new planting and habitat creation. A major milestone is reached as a key tunnel or viaduct section is completed. Construction continues around the clock under bright floodlights. The new railway infrastructure now stretches visibly across large parts of Britain. Automated machines lay high-speed rails with millimeter precision. Sophisticated digital signaling and safety systems are installed along the entire line. Overhead electrification and power supply infrastructure is completed. Advanced tunnel ventilation, lighting, and emergency systems are fully tested. Thousands of smart sensors are embedded to monitor the railway in real time. Modern station technology, including ticketing and passenger information systems, is fitted. Prototype high-speed trains arrive for initial testing on the new tracks. Automated inspection and maintenance equipment is prepared for future use. Cybersecurity systems and central control centers protect the entire network. All systems are integrated and tested together in full simulation runs. Drivers and staff train in realistic simulators that replicate real operations. Environmental protection measures such as noise barriers and wildlife crossings are completed. final safety and regulatory certifications are granted by independent experts. The complete system is officially handed over to the operating company. Sleek test trains now run on the new tracks, bringing the world's most expensive railway to life.
Attention, this is an emergency evacuation drill. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Move quickly! Stairs on the right! Keep moving!
Do not Q-team to stairwell B. Victim secured. Moving to extraction.
The review is complete. We can grant final approval.
Agreed. Let's make it official.
Congratulations. This certification is approved.
Thank you. A successful collaboration.
This is incredibly smooth. We're flying.
Yes, it's revolutionary, a game changer. The speed is impressive, but the quietness is the real story.
I agree. The tech here is outstanding.
Esteemed guests, today we celebrate this railway will connect our dimension, drive our shared prosperity.
Welcome to First Commercial Services. Now boarding all.
Finally, the new train. Exciting.
Yes, I booked months ago for this.
Doors closing. Please mind the gap.
Train 101, proceed to platform 4. Copy that, proceeding to platform 4. Signal anomaly on line 2, rerouting express.
Live from London, where the unveiling of Britain's new engineering marvel is underway.
As the world vision is rearing.
Excitement is building for what this means globally.
Control to all trains. Confirm positions on new network. Train 201 is at Central Hub, speed 300 km/h. Confirmed. Eastbound 305 approaching North Terminal.
The next high-speed service to London Euston is approaching platform 5. This service has reached a record speed of 125 miles per hour.
Finally, no more long delays on this route. Yes, the new railway is a real time saver.
We're already halfway there, hours ahead.
This is how travel should be. Billions in new investment are driving this project, creating thousands of jobs. The economic impact is profound. We're seeing real transformation. This is more than growth, it's economic transformation.
Wow, this new line is amazing, so fast and smooth.
Absolutely. Makes exploring the country so much easier.
I can't wait to see Manchester.
From historical grit to modern precision, this railway's legacy endures.
Current speed is 3 km/h.
A blueprint for global infrastructure, inspiring future projects. The railway, a symbol of Britain's commitment to the future. From the steam age to the electric era, our nation forges ahead, united in pride and purpose. This extension will connect the downtown hub to the new development zone.
The 3D model confirms the route is viable. We can add the new line here.
Exactly. This is the future of our transit network.
This achievement is monumental. It inspires the world. É uma conquista histórica. O mundo todo admira. E Angola begins.
The new railway maintains exceptional safety standards. Advanced monitoring systems ensure reliable, accident-free operations. A commitment to safety that passengers can trust.